Hey guys, Jacob Wright from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida here. Today I'm going to show you another consignment listing that I have taken on recently. This is a 2014 Sweetwater Tri-Tune Premium Edition. This one is powered with a Yamaha 115 4-stroke outboard. Original motor on it, does have the ski pole on the back, so if you want to do any water activities, tubing, skiing, wakeboarding, this is well equipped for it. Let's hop up inside and see the rest. And now that we're up here on top of the boat, it does have a very traditional pontoon floor plan, just a full wraparound center walkthrough plan. It does have extra storage underneath, and what I did notice, when I really like and appreciate what Sweetwater has done, is they've utilized the space behind the backrests of almost all of the seats here, and they've added in an extra door for storage up underneath it. That's a very, very nice feature. There is a removable and portable cup holder, so if you guys decided to be sitting in the front and the back, right here on the side, you do have a cup holder to keep your beverages nice and secure. This is paired with a Garmin GPS. Does have a folding bimini with the nav light on it right here, and underneath the motor there are some underwater lights to give it a nice ambiance feel. If you want to know anything more about this boat, please contact me. Again, my name is Jacob Wright at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. You can reach me at 850-819-9106. Thank you guys.
Yeah.